Whether you have a car, truck, or SUV, and whether it's foreign or domestic, and whether it's a classic vehicle or a contemporary, we can help you repair, service, and maintain the vehicle so that it's the dependable car or truck you need. Jones Automotive Clinic in Tacoma has been keeping Tacoma drivers rolling for over 40 years. That's a long time and a lot of cars. The father-son duo of Brad and Gavin Jones lead this expert technical team that includes not one, but 2 ASE certified master technicians. That's 2 master technicians. Most places don't even have 1. Besides their technical expertise, they care for you in many other ways, including offering loaner cars while working on your vehicle. Just call before coming in to reserve your vehicle or a pickup or a drop-off. Now, discovering your car's problem is often the biggest challenge of all. So Jones Automotive Clinic offers a 30-minute free diagnostic with authorization of repair work confirmed. Just call or stop by to get an estimate. Jones Automotive Clinic is easy to find. They're located at 5510 6th Avenue in Tacoma. They're less than a block off the Highway 16 6th Avenue off-ramp. Or if you're driving east on 16, take the South Pearl Street exit, turn right off the exit, then right on 6th. Go under the overpass, and they'll be just ahead on your right.